All right, we're gonna take a hot lap here in a really nice 1955 Chevy two-door hardtop. Beautiful car. This was a Barrett Jackson car, sold back in 2019, so about 6 years ago. I don't think it has hardly any miles on it since then. People just kind of drive them around and enjoy them on weekends. That's about it. But it's got a nicely built 350, Ford 30 over, so 355 horsepower. It's got a 4-speed transmission. Freeway friendly rear gears in it. Motor's nice and clean. It's got a Holley 4-barrel carburetor on there. Double pumper. Smooth clutch. Gears feel real good. It's got tilt steering column. People trying to videotape us. Nah, this car gets a lot of attention. It looks great. It's got Foose wheels on it. 17 and 18 inch staggered. Nice tires on it. Steering wheel's looks like a factory one, but it's reduced size. 4-wheel power disc brakes. It's a beautiful car. All the chrome is very nice on it. All the stainless steel. It's got smoothie chrome bumper front and rear, which is basically they weld on the mounting bolts, so you don't see the bolts on the outside. Call them smoothies. Really cool looking. A little busy out here traffic wise, but the paint finish on this car is really beautiful. It's got tinted windows too, with air conditioning. Classic auto air. That's always nice, so you're not suffering. The thing scoots real nice though. It's got gauges, under dash gauges, just so you know what's going on. It's got a really cool like Impala floor plate here too, around the shifter. I noticed that. I'm like, that's not 55 Chevy. It's nice though. All right, we're gonna go up here and get some more pictures and video for you so you get a little better look at this one. Take a look at this beautiful 1955 Chevy Bel Air. It's got this amazing paint job on it. It's Cobalt Blue Metallic, and it has like a pearl overlay. So you get up close to it, it's got like little purple flakes in it. Very nice, high quality paint job, and an older paint job. It still looks fantastic. This car's always been stored indoors and pampered with a cover on it. Like I said earlier, it's got the smoothie bumpers. What they do is they cut off the bolts, they weld them from the inside and re-chrome the bumpers so there's no bumper bolts. It's a lot of work to do that, but man, it looks nice. Just a subtle, really cool custom thing. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust all the way out the back with headers. It's got Foose wheels. There are 17s in the front, 18s in the back. 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, of course, and classic air conditioning. But all the trim, all the stainless, all the chrome, very, very nice, and this color just sets it all off. Even that grille. And of course the airplane on the hood. But it's got dual mirrors, and the interior is very nice. Simple bench seat, done well, two-tone gray and silver. Just like the original style as far as the point there in the middle, the way it's designed, but much nicer. Really cool headliner with those chrome bars that go across, just like the Nomads had. And then the dash is painted. Real nice charcoal silver, kind of match the seats. Tilt steering column, reduced size steering wheel. Stereo in the glove box. Little Kenwood with an auxiliary port and a USB. Left the original radio in the dash for looks. And the, of course, those gauges and that plate I was talking about earlier. Really cool looking. Hurst 4-speed, it shifts great. And of course this is a two-door hardtop, so it's got the little flappers there that go down. Just a great looking car, totally reasonably priced for what you're getting. Costs a lot to build a car like this. Here's the power plant in the 55 Chevy. Like I said earlier, it's a 355 cubic inch engine. It's got an Edelbrock intake, 4-barrel Holley carburetor. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes. Got a 1-wire alternator, aluminum radiator with a regular fan, as well as a pusher fan. Nice to have when you have AC. Of course, classic air conditioning with 134 Freon. Also has an electric windshield wiper system. Really makes a big difference. Those old ones just didn't work that great, so we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Sounds good, runs good. Cruise this baby on the freeway. Cool Flowmaster exhaust sounds really well too. Yeah, nice raspy sound. Yeah, tinted windows and air. What else do you want, right? Pretty cool hot rod here. But if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'll be happy to have you come down and show you the cars in person, or if there's something you really like and you want some pictures of the undercarriage or whatever, we'll do that and just ship it to you. Or get you a loan. Lots of options here at California Cars. Thank you for watching.